Seriously? Yeah, I live in Hawaii, so. For some reason, I form an emotional attachment to clothes, which leads to me hoarding them. And all of that. But my question is, at what point in life do I stop shopping at Urban Outfitters? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's that time of year, spring cleaning is a thing, and to be honest, right now I kind of don't have anything else better to do. For the time being, a lot of us are staying inside, and I thought it'd be a fun little project to clean. What a concept, and that's how you know I'm getting old. What I do for fun is cleaning. That's really good. I did this video a few months ago. The main issue at hand is that I have so much clothes. I want to do it again. I feel like the more I get rid of, the better I feel. All right, let's get closet cleaning out in. I don't know. This isn't gonna be your average closet clean out video, and here's why. So I have my dressers, which are low-key overflowing, but it's fine because I also have my closet, which is where I keep the majority of my tops and jackets and stuff. But that is not where it ends, folks. I also took over my sister's bedroom because she moved out, which means that I've taken over her dresser and her closets. And I think she low-key hates me for that. But I have a pretty solid game plan. So basically, I'm gonna go through all of my clothes, and the way I'm gonna separate it is gonna go a little bit something like this. So I'm gonna have my donate pile, which would have all the clothes that I either get sent, so I wouldn't want to sell that because that would just be really wrong. A pile for my younger cousins or friends that I think would like some new clothes if they fit them. And then I'm gonna have a sell pile, which I will be selling on my Poshmark, which is at avajules_. And that'll be stuff that's still in really great condition that I bought myself, so it would be okay for me to sell. And that is the plan. It sounds easy. Is it gonna be easy? No. Let's get started. We're gonna start off with the jackets, which I already know is going to be the most painful part for me. I know I don't need this stuff, but that doesn't mean I don't want it. You guys remember that iconic era in 2019 when these fuzzy jackets just went crazy? Everyone wanted them. As did I, which is why I got basically every color. So stupid. So yeah, I am that girl. For some reason, I form an emotional attachment to clothes, which leads to me hoarding them. As much as I love these jackets, I just feel like someone else could get a lot better use out of them. I live on an island. Why? I don't know. I do really like this cream one, and this will match with a lot, so I think I'm gonna keep this one. Do I need red? What do you guys think? I mean, red is a really cool color, but I feel like it's just a lot harder to match, and it's a lot more bold, obviously. I'm gonna do it. We're gonna get rid of this one. Ooh. These fluffy ones that Urban Outfitters makes actually is a lot lighter and more wearable, so it's not as thick, it's not as clunky, it's really easy to pack and wear. And honestly, these are a lot more comfortable, so I think I'm gonna keep this one and the blue one that I have. This red one is cool. This one's from Garage. It's not really a fluffy jacket, but this is definitely more for if I travel somewhere a little bit chillier. I like this one a lot better than the fuzzy one just because it's not as big and bulky, and I really like this. This one used to be my airport jacket. I felt like such a badass going through security with this, sitting in my seat. What a time to be alive. But I also don't think I'm going to an airport anytime soon, so I will not be needing this. I actually haven't really even used it in a while, and this collects lint really easily, so I think we're gonna have to let her go. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm trying to figure out between these two fluffy jackets. These were very popular as well, so these are a little bit different. They're the same style, but they're just different colors, and I don't know which one I want to keep. I feel like this one would get too dirty. I'm gonna give this one away. You cannot trust me wearing white, that's for sure. We are still in my sister's room. This is where I keep all of like my hoodies and jackets and stuff. I keep some in my room too, but this is, I guess, where the overflow goes, which is terrible. There are people in sub-zero weather right now who could clearly use this a lot more than I can. I really want to go through these hoodies. I find myself not really wearing them as much as I thought I would. And also down here with the jackets. I love jackets. I feel like you can throw one on and totally change up your outfit look. Let's go through this. These are my sister's, so I'm not gonna be touching that. You guys want to know a funny story about this jacket? So maybe senior year, I was talking to this boy, whatever, I took his jacket and then he took this one, but not this one. So whenever things clearly didn't work out, thank God that they did not. No offense. I was a big person and I gave him his jacket back because he asked for it and he really wanted it and it was his school jacket. So I was like, cool, I get it. Tell me why he never gave me this one back. So you know what I did? I bought one for myself. So I hope he's enjoying my jacket that he did not give back because I sure am enjoying the one that I bought for myself. These are all my sisters, so we're not gonna touch that either. YouTube themselves, this was my first thing that YouTube ever sent me other than like the reward plaque. But I remember they sent me this and it's this awesome Levi's jacket with the little YouTube logo right there, which I think is so cool that they noticed me. However, it is way too small. I feel like every time a company or a brand sends me something, it's always a size small. And I've made it pretty clear that I do not own anything that's a size small because I'm not a small girl. So I love this jacket. The thought is there and I really appreciate it, but it doesn't fit me, which really sucks. Yay. This is hard work. The hair is going up. It's getting legit and it's getting hot. So we are going to tackle the drawers next. I kind of just shove things that I think I want, but no, I kind of don't in here. And then from here, this is where they kind of just get kicked out. So I've got a bunch of shirts, a bunch of workout stuff, more shirts, more shorts, a bunch of pants and leggings, one sweater, and more random stuff. This is so cute, but do I need this? No. I'm very weird about keeping shirts that mean a lot to me. Like I have this one from the girls' national volleyball tournament that I went to a long time ago, a playlist live shirt from a while ago, and I have my senior graduation class shirt. So as cheesy as it is, and even though I probably will never wear it, I like to have that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna give myself a pass on that. Oh my gosh, it feels so good to be getting rid of all this stuff. I'm still gonna have to sort through it and decide what I'm selling, keeping, and giving away. Sister's room is done. And now for this. So before we actually get into all of that, I just want to say I think it's so weird, and I always talk about this because it's something that's constantly going through my head, but I am turning 20 years old this year. No longer a teenager, none of that. The exciting thing is that not even with force, but just naturally my style has kind of been starting to change a little bit. I noticed what I'm interested in is not the same as it used to be. So my style is definitely evolving. So with this closet clean out, I kind of want to get rid of the stuff that I know for a fact is not my style anymore. But my question is, at what point in life do I stop shopping at Urban Outfitters? When am I too old for that? You know, I feel like that's something that not a lot of people talk about. And I was talking about this with my friend Nia the other day. And I was like, how do you know, like, what age do you stop shopping at whatever, Brandy Melville or PacSun? Like, how do you know you're ready to start shopping at Banana Republic? I don't know. I feel like that's such a weird transitional period, and clearly I'm still gonna shop at the stores I've been shopping at while I'm in my 20s probably, but like, when do you know that you're ready to shop at women's stores? You know what I mean? It's a very interesting thing to think about. Putting this disclaimer out there now, so please hold me accountable for this. I will not be one of those moms that shops at Brandy Melville. I don't even fit their clothes anyways, so joke's on me, right? I'm actually kind of hiding it from you right now, but if you take a little peekity right up there, you can see that I have these boxes sitting up there, and that box is the box. Roddy Rich who? I honestly think it's just a bunch of winter clothes, so thin long sleeves basically, but I want to go through this for a sec. The rest of these I honestly do wear. Clearly not during the spring and summertime because it's too hot here, but I think what I'm gonna do is take some more cold pieces and then organize them and put it in here just so that it's out of the way, because I know for a fact that for the next few months until it gets a little bit chilly again, I won't be using this. I don't know if you guys remember, but in my last closet cleanout video, I said that I hadn't worn this and that if I didn't wear it within the next few months, I was gonna be getting rid of it. Well, I actually did wear this and I actually really like this. It's so cute, so comfortable. I just had to get a little bit out of my comfort zone, I guess, because this is very girly and He's always screaming. Are you good? It's just out of my comfort zone because it's very girly and bright and springy, but I think I'll probably wear this for the spring and summer months, but after that, then I'll get rid of it, but I do like it for now. I have no idea how these fit anymore because it's been a while since I've worn them, so we've got to try these on. This actually fits a lot better than I thought it was going to. A while ago it fit really weird, but I feel like I've kind of curved out in the right places, so I'm gonna keep this one. The only thing that bothers me about this is how high the slit is because it's just weird. I don't know. I still like it though. I obviously don't need all of these. I wear this one a bunch, so that's obvious, yes. This one's a maybe. We're gonna take a look at that. This one's also a maybe because I don't really like wearing colored bottoms. This is super cute. And I love this because it's a skirt, not a skirt. So technically it doesn't count, okay? This f***ing kid. I just realized that this is why I don't like doing these videos because then I just feel like shit, but this is so cute. I'm not ready to get rid of it. You guys probably hate me right now. This is so annoying. All right, that's fine. Dumb me, I ate a lot of food and I actually popped off one of the buttons from being bloated. So this skirt is kind of broken now. So when I was thinking about doing this video last night, one of the biggest portions I wanted to focus on was my big t-shirt collection. Now hear me out. I love me a good big t-shirt. They're great, they're comfy, they make me feel safe. I'd rather have a few that I really like versus a bunch of just random ones. This shirt is iconic. So far we got rid of 4 big t-shirts, which for me is good because I hold a lot of emotional attachment to them, as you guys know already. I have these 2, which are kind of skeleton / Halloween based, but I think I only really need 1 Halloween shirt. I like this tie-dye-ish one a lot better, so we're gonna get rid of this one. So far we're doing really well. These are all the clothes that I'm getting rid of from my room, and we've still got a lot to go. Ugh, I don't know. We're gonna get rid of it. Why do I have tears in my eyes right now? I'm so dramatic. What is wrong with me? This is where it gets a little bit crazy. So these are all of my shirts. So let's go through this. I think I'm just gonna do a time lapse because no one cares why I like certain tops and my attachment to them. So we're just gonna speed through this. I love this top. I have so many styles in it. I have this pink one, this green one, I have it in white and black, and even this tan color too, actually. The color for me is a little bit bright now, and I just have the most vivid memory of me wearing this with these purple shorts I have, and my friend told me I looked like Dora, so this kind of just triggers me to see this shirt, honestly, so we're just gonna get rid of it. I swear I used to own every single striped shirt that was on this planet Earth, especially these ones from Brandy Melville. I really went through a phase of just wearing stripes every day to school, and that was an iconic time in my life. I'm not gonna miss it, but farewell. There she goes. This is a very common issue that I have. I'll have 2 shirts that pretty much are identical. As you can see, they're both the bustier type top. This one's from Princess Polly. It's got the ruffle sleeves. This one's from PacSun. It's a little bit more structured, and because the material is a little bit more thick, so it's not as see-through, I'm gonna get rid of this one. I only wore this one once, so this would be something that I sell. Just finished cleaning out these 2 racks of clothes, and these are all the hangers of what we got rid of. And this is the pile of clothes from that closet alone, which is crazy. We still haven't even gone through the drawers yet. I think I did a really good job of weeding out things that I really don't need. This is crazy. So much stuff. So far, we've got all this and all of that. So the other side of my closet I actually just cleaned out on my vlog channel, which that should be a video coming out soon. If you don't know, I have a vlog channel, and I honestly really love that channel. It's like one of my favorite things to do is just vlog the most random stuff ever. Also on this side of the closet, which I saved for you guys, my main channel lovers, are my dresses. I really need to go through my dresses. I feel like I wear dresses more than I wear normal clothes. It's easy, it's breezy, it's beautiful. It's CoverGirl. Right off the bat, I do not wear that. And if I really think about it, I really don't think I'm gonna wear this anymore. I really had a phase with this dress, and I think that phase has come and it has definitely gone. We got rid of a good amount of dresses. I have a lot more space here now, which is really nice. And last but not least, we've got my dresser. I really, really want to go through all of my panties because if I am a hoarder of anything, it's panties. All right, ladies, let's open it up. This is the drawer. I got my sticky boobs, which I don't ever use, and I don't think I will, but my mom insists that I have them. Let's do a little time lapse. Quick intermission. Hi! When I said I'm gonna give away to friends, like aka just you. Okay, good. So this is her haul. Yay! So I used to play volleyball and I really thought I was cool for wearing tights like these. So that is the end of an era. I'm like, ah! This is insane. I feel like this is a lot more than my last one. Okay, so this is everything I'm donating. I'm pretty sure I can donate bras. I need to find a good like women's shelter or something that would take that, sell, give away to friends, sell. I don't know if I'm gonna donate this or sell this yet. And that is it for this closet clean out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I honestly love these videos. They're so fun to watch. So if you need to clean out your closet, go ahead and do that while you're watching this video. I think it'd be a super fun time. With everything that's going on in the world right now, I just wanted to make a fun, lighthearted video. So stay safe, be mindful. I love you guys so much. And if you stayed to this point in the video, comment down below, clothes with a Z. That's cool. If you're not, you guys should definitely follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It's a really good time on both. And honestly, I think the most interesting thing is that on every platform, you get to see a little bit of a different me. Have at it. I love you guys so much. See ya in my next video. Bye!